Elevate your motorcycle's performance and appearance with these custom front foot pegs for the Aprilia Pegaso 1650, 2005-2012. Featuring a CNC machined aluminum build with an engraved R-Fight logo, they provide excellent traction and durability. Their perfect fit ensures confident handling in all conditions. Designed for riders who value both functionality and aesthetics, these foot pegs stand up to daily use. See the full collection at MC Motoparts and apply discount code MC222 to save 20% on your purchase today.